Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and well at home and studying through our online classes. And we are studying our first chapter. Many things we have covered. Few things are left. That sport tournaments and Khelo India program. So today we are going to discuss about the sport tournaments. You know about the sport tournaments, the championship which we are going and taking part. That is known as the tournament. So there are many played in our country, outside the country, district level, state level. So there are many tournaments which we are playing. Some of them we are going to discuss today. So can you tell me the highest sport tournament worldwide? Number one, the highest tournament in sport or games worldwide is Olympic Games. I will tell you the significance of this game or importance of this game little bit later. Second one or second question, can you tell me which games we have? These are World Cups. World Cup, you are knowing about the cricket, you are very much aware of. These are high fever matches, and means those who are interested in the field of sport, they are waiting for such tournaments. They are waiting for 4 years long, and then they are able to see the World Cup matches again. So these are very important tournaments. You can see World Cup in hockey, World Cup in football, World Cup in cricket, everywhere. World Cup matches are high fever matches, and people are eagerly waiting long years to see the matches again. So these are very important matches you can see in the World Cups. Third, you can see Commonwealth Games. Commonwealth Games. Countries are participating in these kind of games. They are playing in certain discipline. Some games are there where they have two sports are there in which they are competing each other, and the winners are emerging there. Fourth one is the Asian Games. Asian Games mostly Asian countries are participating. They are participating in various disciplines, various sports and games, and they are competing each other, and the winners can be decided through the most of the medals, gold medals, on the basis of gold medals. Those who got more, they are the winner of the particular country, is the winner of the tournament. So these are the top ranked tournaments organized worldwide. Asian and Commonwealth Games are in that particular area, or Asian countries are participating. World Cups, whole world, most of the countries are coming and taking part in such kind of tournaments. Then Olympic Games, it is the dream of every athlete, every true sport person, that they can go and they can represent their country in the Olympic Games. Other than these four games, top rated games, we have so many competitions, so many championships which are organized by the different federations and associations. So starting from the basic level, at school you may be knowing that there are house-wise competitions. House-wise competition, your students are going and playing with the different houses. So we are finding the talent there, and if they are able, further we can send them to the inter-school tournaments. The games which you play inside the school are intramural, means house-wise competitions, and the games or championship, you go outside the school and play with the different schools and different players of different schools. Those are known as the extramural activities. So these activities are organized or is a part of a chain, part of a system, so that we can find the talent. If we are getting some talented players from the inter-school, they are further sent to the district level tournaments in which they represent their district. As suppose any student from LFS Gida is very good in particular sport, the school can help him to send, or they can also by themselves they can find the tournaments and they can go and participate there. They are representing their district, that is Gorakhpur, there. So many students are going and playing outside the district, they are representing their districts and they are truly eligible. Then those who are very good in the district level tournament, they can further qualify for the state level tournaments, university level tournaments. So they are going and participating there. So this is the part of the system from where we can find out the skilled players or professionals or potential players, so that we can send them to the Asian Games or Commonwealth or World Cups or Olympic Games. So you can assume that those players who are going to the Olympic Games, how much caliber or potential they have. Only then they are reaching to this level or this level. So most of the athletes or sport person, those are selected for the Olympic Games, are chosen from the Commonwealth and Asian Games. So if their performance is really good, they can qualify for the Olympics, and the teams which are very good, they can qualify for the players, they can qualify for the World Cup teams. So for these important stages, we are selected from the grassroots level or from the basic level only. So if you are very much interested in the field of sport, there are a lot of things to do. There are many championships which you can go and participate. Many are given in your book also, you can just go through and try to understand. But one thing you keep in mind, that always we have to start from zero and we have to go one by one, stage by stage, or gradually we can proceed, and maybe we'll be able to see you all in the Olympic Games. So there are many players which among us only, those who are emerging and going to that level, and they are getting a lot of respect, everything. But in certain cases, people think that they are only playing, they are getting that much recognition, they are getting that much respect, they are getting so much money, and they are having a very good lifestyle. It is not simple. You have to work a lot, you have to sweat a lot, you have to have something special within you. Only then you can reach to that place. So those who are reaching to that place, we have to respect them a lot, because they are not a common people, they are really something special in them. So hope you all have understood the chapter, hope you will like. One assignment I will give you, that you have to write 10 tournaments, about 10 tournaments which are recognized by the Indian Olympic Association, IOA, and Ministry of Youth Affairs. So you have to write 10 tournaments and keep a note of that and keep it safe. Whenever it is necessary, I will ask you. So hope you enjoyed and understood everything. Thank you. Be safe.